Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can be able to earn $5 to $10, 5 to 10 USDT daily on the HbarMiner mining app. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can mine on this app so that you can be able to get your result faster. So guys, the token you're mining on this app is actually called HBAR, and on this mining platform you can be able to convert your mined coin into USDT and then withdraw your USDT into your wallet or exchange of choice. So guys, let me first of all show you guys how you can be able to convert the HBAR token, the mined coin, to USDT. So what I'll do now is to tap on me. So let me tap on the mint section. Let me tap on me. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see HBAR and USDT. Let me tap on it. We want to convert our mined coin, our HBAR, to USDT. So guys, now you can see at the top, 1 HBAR is equal to 0.284925 USDT. So guys, what I'll do now is to impute the amount of HBAR, the amount of mined coin I want to convert to USDT. You can see where the arrow is pointing. Let me tap on it. You can see what's written there. Minimum conversion quantity is 6. So you must have up to 6 HBAR before you can be able to convert to USDT. So guys, let me tap on it right away. Then what I'll do now is to type in. You can see I'm typing in. You can see you can type in the amount of mined coin that you want to convert. Let me cancel out. Let me erase this. You can also tap on where you can see all. You can see it there. Once you tap on all, your total balance of HBAR, your total balance of mined coin is going to appear there. You can see my balance there is 13.531536. You can see right there the arrow is pointing at it. Once I tap on all, it's going to reflect there now. Let me tap on all. So guys, now you can see 13.531536 is now appearing there. That's the total amount of mined coin that I have. So guys, you can see what I'm going to be getting. You can see the amount of USDT I'm going to be getting for converting this. You can see it right there. I'm going to be getting 3.855473 USDT. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, let me tap on confirm now to convert it to USDT. Let me convert my mined coin to USDT. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys can see redemption successful. So guys, now I've been able now to convert my mined coin, my HBAR token, to USDT. You can see right now my balance is now 0. So guys, now the next step I'm going to show you guys is how to withdraw. So let me go back to the withdraw section. Let me go back now. So guys, now let me tap on withdraw. You can see where it is written withdraw. Let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see my current balance now. My current balance in USDT is 3.855472. You can see it right there. So guys can see you can withdraw your USDT on the TRC20 USDT network, and also you can withdraw in the BIP20 USDT network, and also finally you can withdraw in the Tron TRX, which is the main wallet. But guys, I'm going to be using the BIP20 USDT because once you use the BIP20 USDT, the minimum withdrawal amount is usually small. You can see for TRC20 USDT, the minimum amount of withdrawal is 14 USDT. But let me tap on BIP20 USDT right away. You can see it's loading. So guys can see for BIP20 the minimum withdrawal amount is 1.5 USDT. You can see it right there. That's what I'm going to be using because the amount of USDT that I have here is 3.85, so it is more than 1.5, so it's going to work out. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to impute your withdrawal address. You can see where it is written, please enter or long press to paste it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to go over to your wallet or exchange of choice. You have to go and copy your USDT deposit address from your wallet or exchange of choice. So guys, I'm going to be using my BitGet exchange in this tutorial today. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my BitGet exchange, then copy my USDT deposit address on the BIP20 network. So guys, make sure it's BIP20 because that's what I want to use. So let me go back now. Let me go over to my BitGet. So guys, now you can see my BitGet exchange account has opened up. So now the next step I have to take now in order to copy my USDT deposit address is to tap on where you can see add funds. So let me tap on add funds. So guys, now the next step I have to take now is to tap on deposit crypto. So let me tap on deposit crypto. So guys, now this is the point where you have to search for the crypto that you want to copy its deposit address, and for this case we want to copy our USDT deposit address. So let me tap on the search icon now, then let me type in USDT, then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see USDT right there, so let me tap on it to select it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now here's the next step. So you have to choose the right network. So the right network you have to go for is BIP20. Remember I said I want to use the BIP20 network to withdraw my 3.8 USDT from the HBAR mining app. So let me choose BIP20 right here. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on BIP20. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your USDT BIP20 wallet address. You can see it right there being encircled. So now for me to copy it, I have to tap on the copy icon just next to it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see copied. I've been able now to copy my USDT BIP20 wallet address. So let me go back now to the HbarMiner app. Let me go back to Telegram. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my Telegram HbarMiner app. So let me tap on me section. Let me tap on me. let me go and do the withdrawal. Let me tap on withdrawal. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the withdrawal section. So the next step I have to take now is to select BIP20 USDT, because I selected BIP20 wallet address in my BitGet account. So let me tap on BIP20 network to select it. So guys, now you can see it has been selected. So now the next step now is to paste the wallet address I copied from my BitGet account. So let me paste the USDT BIP20 wallet address real quick. So guys, now you can see I pasted it. So now the next step now is to input the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. You can tap on please enter transfer amount. Then you can type in, you can see I'm typing the amount, or you can simply tap on all to input all the amount of USDT that you have in your HBAR account. So let me tap on all right away. So guys, now you can see the total amount of USDT that I have in my HbarMiner account is right there, 3.855472. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to input your security password. So if you have not done withdrawal before, you will be asked to create a security password. So guys, I've inputted mine already. So what I will do now is to tap on confirm. So guys, let me tap on confirm right away. Wow guys, can see withdrawal success. So guys, now I've been able now to withdraw the USDT. You can see now my balance is now 0 USDT. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to my BitGet exchange to confirm if actually I've received it. So let me do that right away. Let me go back now to my BitGet exchange. Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see I've logged into my BitGet account already. I can see that my balance has increased already. So guys, what I'll do now is to tap on assets. So let me tap on assets. So guys, now you can see that notification right there. You can see what is written there, 1 deposit received. So let me tap on it now to open it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it right there. I just received 3.392816 USDT. You can see it right there. You can see successful. You can see the date and time is just now. So let me tap on it now so you can see more details about it. So guys can see it successful, 3.392816 USDT. You can see it right there on chain. You can see the deposit network BIP20. You can see the time and the date, the wallet address. So guys, now you can see it right here. I've received it just now. I'm supposed to receive 3.8 USDT, but because of the management fee, it was reduced to 3.392816. So guys, this to confirm the withdrawal. So if you have not started mining on this platform, here's an opportunity for you to start. Just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to be leaving the registration link and the invite link. Tap on it so that you can start mining this platform, so that you can be able to make the maximum USDT that you can make on this platform. So guys, go over to the description. I'm also going to be leaving it in the comment section. Type on the registration link. It will direct you to Telegram so that you can start mining on this platform to mine HBAR and then convert it to USDT and then withdraw it just like I did right now. So guys, now let me go ahead now. Let me go back to the HbarMiner app to show you guys how you can be able to mine this app and get the maximum result that you need. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the HbarMiner app on Telegram. You can see here I have a notification. You have a new unread messages on the site. Please go and check the message content. So let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see the message is a withdrawal success. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it now to open it. So guys, now you can see withdrawal success. I withdrew 3.39 USDT. So guys, now this is to confirm it on both my exchange account and here in this HbarMiner app. So guys, let me go back now to show you guys how you can be able to mine on this app to get your maximum result. So guys, now you can see what you have to do in order to mine on this app is to come on this app every 12 hours to claim your HBAR token, your mined coin. You can see now for 12 hours I've been able now to mine 3.352500 HBAR token. So now for me to claim it, all I have to do now is to tap on claim profit. So let me tap on claim profit right away. So guys, now you can see, then let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see now I've been able now to claim it, and as you can see the timer have started again. You can see 11 hours 59 minutes 45 seconds. So I have to come back in the next 12 hours to claim this my HBAR token. So guys, this is how it works. Every 12 hours you have to come to claim your HBAR token, which is actually easy. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys more things you need to know. On this mining app for the free airdrop, you're going to be able to mine 0.01 HBAR coin per hour. That means you're going to be able to mine 0.24 HBAR token per day. But if you're able to buy in mining power, you'll be able to mine faster. You can see mine, I'm able to mine 0.279375 HBAR per hour. That's because I bought in mining power. But if you don't buy any mining power, you're going to be mining 0.01 HBAR per hour. You can see mine is 0.279375 per hour. That's because I bought in mining power. So guys, let me show you guys how you can be able to upgrade and get in mining power. You can see where it is written electricity. So let me tap on electricity right away. So guys, now you can see there are different levels of mining energy. Let me scroll down. You can see There are different levels. You can see you can actually get the mining power that you want. Let me tap on the level 1. You can see it right there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now this is the level 1 mining power. You can see you can get it for 15 USDT and it's going to mine for you daily 6.46500 HBAR token. So if you get this mining power, you're going to be mining 6.465 HBAR token per day. That means in 14 days you'll be able to mine 90.51 HBAR token. So in 14 days you'll be able to make 25.16 USDT. So guys can see it, you'll be able to cover up the capital that you use to buy up this mining power. Actually in 8 days you'll be able to cover the 15 USDT that you actually use in buying this mining power. So the remaining 6 days you have the profit for yourself. So you're going to be making a profit of about 12 USDT, which is actually a good thing. So guys, now if you want to buy this mining power, you can tap on buy now. Yeah. So guys, let me go back now to show you guys several levels of mining power that you can get. Let me cancel out of this real quick. So guys, now you can see the level 2. You can see right, the level 2 is for 68 USDT, while the level 3 is for 200 USDT. Then the next level is for 600 USDT. Then the next one is for 1,500 USDT, while the last one there is 5,000 USDT. So guys, just go for the one that you want, but the one I bought is the first level, which is 15 USDT. So guys, let me tap on it now. Let me show you guys how I can buy it. Let me tap on it to open it real quick. So guys, now if you want to buy this 15 USDT level of mining power, what they have to do now is to tap on buy it now. So let me tap on it right away. This video go. So guys, now you can see what's written here: insufficient balance, please recharge first. This is to show that you don't have USDT in your HbarMiner account, so you have to deposit USDT from your exchange or wallet, whichever one that you're using. You have to deposit USDT from there to this HbarMiner app. So let me tap on confirm now. So guys, now you can use any of this withdrawal option to deposit USDT. You can use TRC20 USDT, you can use Tron TRX, you can use BIP20 USDT, you can use BNB. But let me tap on the third option, which is BIP20 USDT. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's opening up. So guys, now you can see this is the BIP20 USDT deposit address. You can see it right there. So let me tap on copy to copy it. So guys, now you can see copy success. What you have to do now is to go over to your wallet or exchange of choice. You have to deposit USDT into this your HbarMiner account. So once you've deposited it, then you come over here, then you tap on recharge complete, then you're good to go. So let me show you guys where you're going to find it once you've deposited the USDT into your HbarMiner app. Let me go back now to show you guys where you're going to find it. Then let me tap on me. Let me tap on me right away. So guys, once you deposit the USDT into your HbarMiner app, you're going to find it right here. And where the arrow is pointing, it is written recharge wallet. You're going to find it here reflecting. So guys, once you can see that the USDT that you deposited is reflecting here, the next step you have to take now is to tap on electricity again. Then you go ahead now to buy the mining energy or the mining power that you want. Just choose whichever one you want. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys other things you need to know. Let me tap on the me section. Let me tap on it right again. So guys, now you can see you can tap on financial records to see all your financial records, to see the withdrawals and the deposit you've made. So guys, now you can see this is the HBAR that I converted to USDT. Let me tap on the brokerage wallet. So guys, now you can see I withdrew 3.8 USDT right now. This is the financial transaction details. So guys, let me go back now. You can see you can invite friends. You can tap on invite. Let me tap on invite real quick. Then you can see your invitation link right there. Once you tap on the copy icon, you'll be able to copy your invitation link. Now you can share it to your friends on various social media platforms, on WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and the rest of it. Let me go back now. Yeah, let me scroll down. If you want to know more about this mining app, you can tap on about us. And if you want to contact their customer service, you can see where the arrow is pointing at. You can tap on it so you can be able to solve any problem you're having on this mining app. So guys, now these are the few things that you have to know. So what you have to do now is to go over to the description of this video, tap on the registration link or the invite link so that I can start mining this app, so that I can be able to withdraw and make money, make USDT out of this platform. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to make some USDT from $10 to $5 daily by mining on this app. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.